Hello friends, welcome back to chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Well, in first lecture we have discussed 7 important points of this chapter. Then in second lecture we have completed exercise number 4.1 as well as first and second example of exercise number 4.2. Now let me start third example of exercise number 4.2. It is related to problem sum. So 4 problem sums are given to you. First of all, we have to read this problem. Then we have to assume variable x. Then we have to prepare one equation. And then you have to solve by any method. Any method means there are 3 methods for solving quadratic equation. Factor method, completing square method and formula method. And we have already studied only factor method. So we will use factor method to solve these 4 examples. Well, the third example is find 2 numbers whose sum is 27. The sum is given to you, that is 27, and their product is 182. 2 numbers are given to you. Therefore, suppose one number is x. Therefore, another number is is 27 minus x, because you know the sum is 27. The sum of 2 number is 27. If one is x, the another one is 27 minus x. Now, and their product is 182. So product is equal to 182. Product means x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So 27x minus x square minus 182 is equal to 0. If you arrange this in appropriate order, we say x square, this minus become plus, so this become minus 27x and plus 82 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize 82 into 2 parts. Minus plus is equal to minus minus. The sum of 2 number is 27, so you can divide them into 14 into 13, because 14 tens are 140 plus 14 threes are 42. 140 plus 42 means 182. So you can divide 182 into 2 parts, minus 14 and minus 13. So answer is x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 30. Now we have to find out 2 numbers. Suppose one number x is equal to 13, then the other number is 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. If one number is 14, then the other number is 27 minus 14 is equal to 30. So if you add these two, again you get 27. If you multiply these two, you get 182. So the sum of 2 number is given to you and the product of 2 number is given to you. Product is 182, sum is 27. So first of all you have to assume, suppose one number is x, that's another number is 2x minus x. Their product, prepare one equation, factorize by using method of trinomial and then find out the value of x. Very simple example. Well, now let me start example number 4 of question number 3 of exercise 4.2. Find 2 consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Sum and whose square is 365. Suppose 2 consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Because the consecutive positive number. Now the sum of whose square? X square, and here x plus 1 square is equal to 365. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Because minus 364 plus 1 is equal to minus 364. Now you can take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, you get x square plus x minus 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again you get 182 is equal to 0. So this become x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. So you have to factorize 182 into 2 parts. Plus minus is equal to plus minus. Again we have to use 14 13s are 182. So here we can write x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to 13. Now here given the 2 consecutive positive integers. So here minus 14 is not possible. X is equal to minus 14 is not possible. Therefore x is equal to 13. We find 2 consecutive number. So one number is 13. Therefore other number is x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Well, so let me revise this. 2 consecutive number. So first assume 2 consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. The sum of their squares is 365. Simplify. Find out one equation. Use method of factorization, method of trinomial, and then find out the value. Here you get x is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to 13. Here positive is given to you. So minus 14 is not possible, and that's why the x is equal to 13. So one number is 13, and that's why another number is 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Well, now let me start example number 5th. The altitude of a right angle triangle. Let me draw right angle triangle. This one is known as altitude, this one is known as base, and this one is known as hypotenuse. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So altitude is given in the form of base. So assume, suppose base is equal to x, and that's why altitude is equal to x minus 7. The hypotenuse is 30. Find the other 2 sides. So in triangle ABC, if I assume base is equal to x, therefore altitude is equal to x minus 10 and hypotenuse is equal to 30. So when right angle triangle is given to you, any other relation is not given to you, then we can use Pythagoras principle. The AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So you can write BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. X square plus x minus 7 square is equal to 13 square. X square plus x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169, because 13 square is equal to 169. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. You can take 2 common. You get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So you get one quadratic equation. Now you have to factorize 60 such that you will get 7x. So factorize 60 into part. Minus minus is equal to minus plus. So 12 5 is 60. Minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7. So you can write x minus 12, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 5. You know, here x is a base. It cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 5 is not possible. Therefore, x is equal to 12. So base is equal to 12. And that's why base is equal to 12. Therefore, altitude is equal to x minus 7 is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. So here right angle triangle is given to you. The relation between base and altitude is given to you. From this relation, assume base, find out altitude. Already hypotenuse is given to you. Use Pythagoras principle and solve this example. So you will get the value of altitude as well as base. Well, now example number 6th one. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Very important relationship is given to you. The cost of a production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Total cost is 90. Find the number of articles. Suppose number of articles is equal to X. Means a company or a cottage industry produces X article per day. Now cost of production. Now cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of article. So 2x plus 3. 3 more than the twice the number of article. Number of article is X. Therefore the cost of production of each article is 2x plus 3. Cost of product of each article was 3 more than twice the number of article produced on that day. So the number of article produced on day is X. So the cost of production of each article is 2x plus 3. Now the total cost is 90. Total cost means number of articles multiplied by cost of production of one article. So X into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 90 to the 180. So we have to factorize 180 such that you get plus minus means plus minus. So subtraction should be 3. So you can write 15 and 12. You know 15 tens are 150 and 15 to the 30. 150 plus 30 means 180. So you can take 15 30 plus 15 minus 12 is equal to plus 3. Perfect. So you can't write directly. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Here you can take x common. So 2x plus 15 minus, we can take 6 common. So you get 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 15 by 2, which is not possible. And x is equal to 6. Because x is number of unit produced on a day. So number of unit cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 15 by 2 is not possible. Therefore, x is equal to 6. So find the number of articles. So you have to write one sentence. Number of articles is equal to 6. So a cottage industry produce 6 articles on a day. Well, so we have completed this 4 example. We have very important example, and it is a problem sum. So read problem, assume variable x, prepare equation, and then solve this equation by method of factorization. You will get answer. Here first is example, sum is given to you, product is given to you. So one number is x, another number is 27 minus x. Product is 182, and you can easily solve this example. 2 consecutive numbers are there. When 2 consecutive numbers are given to you, you have to assume x and x plus 1. Then sum of their square. So sum of their square is 365. Solve this, prepare equation. Here you get 2 number, x is equal to minus 14 and plus 13. Here positive number, minus 14 is not possible. So x is equal to 13. One number is 13. So you can easily find out the another number, that is 14, because x plus 1. The third example is important for exam point of view. Triangle is given to you. The altitude is in the form of base. So assume base, altitude x minus x. Hypotenuse is also given, always given to you. So use Pythagoras principle and you can solve this example. Similarly, here the number of production of a pottery article, you have to assume x. The cost of production is 3 more than twice the article. So 2x plus 3. The product of these two is 90, because the total cost is 90. Total cost means number of article multiplied by cost of production of one article. Solve this equation, you will get your answer. Well, so friends, here we have completed our exercise number 4.2. 6 examples were there. In last lecture we already completed 2 examples, and here I have completed 3, 4, 5th and 6th example. So in next period we will start exercise number 4.3. Thank you friends. Thank you.